Okay, hi my friend, and what looks like this Toyota Corolla car's radiator. Now I have take this radiator away, and this is like front area. Look, there are those holes for air condition this cooler, and in that area when we look there are those hoses and joints, and there is one hose position, and this is this electric fan what is in there, and then this is radiator cable to engine, and then there is some electric device, and in here we have also one hose position in here. And then of course, what is this air condition cooler's position? Now when we go in this area where is radiator, there is this air condition cooler in here, and look, there are those positions in up and also in down area that what goes in this hose in here. Okay, and these are those my protective plates. I install these plates in here. Okay, and this is Toyota Corolla's radiator. That how works this my car's radiator, and here I have very high quality radiator, and this radiator come from Toyota Corolla cars, and this is from this year models 2007 to 2018. And how this radiator works, and what is first this radiator's first purpose. And this first purpose is to cool down and make this car's engines, this coolant and this water liquid what goes inside engines, this main and the most important purpose is to cool down this coolant liquid. It is like a cooler what makes our cars this inside liquids cooler, and then our engine is not anymore so hot. And this is the most important thing. And how this radiator works? Radiator works that there are two these big tubes like in that one and then that one. And that first one is this tube where this coolant liquid goes to inside of this radiator, and then the second one is of course where this coolant liquid goes out. So easy. Okay, and normally when engine is running we have this water pump what pumps this coolant liquid through this radiator element, and then this car is driving, air is going through that area, and in that holes this is full of those direct holes. We can also look that we can see through, and we can see through those holes to that wall. This is the point. And now I insert, when we look in my light, we can see there is holes, and then I insert that my light in this another side. And then this is the test, because we have to see this light what comes. Look, now we can see there is my light moving, and that means that now this my radiator element, it is in excellent condition, because there must be always this direct lines in full areas. And then what is then this propeller? What is this part? This is like extra, the second lever heater when we are like standing in those lights and our car is not running to forward, and that's we need this extra cooler. And when this part moves in that way in really high speed, and do not ever touch that, by the way, when these cables are connected in that one, because we can hurt our fingers, then this big fan and these propellers, they intake air in here, and then they are like in extra cooler system, because they move this air through these holes, And then same time when water pump is pumping this coolant liquid through in here, and then this coolant goes directly in here. And these small lines in here, these are small tubies, these silver lines, and coolant is moving in that way in here, and then it comes back to engine. And then this fan gives like extra coolant power. Okay, this is important. And then we can also check that outer area, what it must look like. When I rotate my radiator, we can see now this outer area, and there is really this idea that this hot coolant liquid comes in that area, in this area. Sorry. And then this hot water goes through these small lines in here, through in that area here, and then it goes back to engine in that line. And look, there is those small lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 50 pieces, and that's when this radiator works. Remember that these small lines and waves in here, they must be in open, that this air can go through that radiator in here to then in that area. Okay, this is this information that how radiator works.